Z Ultimate is an ideal labelling solution for challenging environments. A polyester label with a high-performance acrylic adhesive, it can survive in temperatures as high as 150 degrees Celsius and as low as -40 degrees Celsius. It's only available in thermal transfer form and should be paired with one of our Zebra resin ribbons, which are designed to be resistant to harsh environments. Z Ultimate's temperature and environmental resistance and ability to survive when subjected to chemicals such as bleach and alcohol, which are common in cleaning substances, makes it ideal for when you need your label to last for a long time. This material is perfect for applications including capital asset tracking, compliance labelling, outdoor labels and industrial labelling. When paired with resin ribbons, the Z Ultimate is UL certified for electronic component labelling. This is one of the many reasons why we put the Z Ultimate on the back of our tabletop printers.